Okay, let me just say straight off the bat, I don't think this was a great idea coming to where I came. I actually had to come here twice because my battery was dead in my camera, so I drove all the way back to the office to get another one, drove back out here. I am here at Lake Grapevine. It is very beautiful, very close to me. It's also very close to the airport, about 2 or 3 miles, and so yes, planes are flying overhead. So anyway, I tried to give this a little bit more of a beautiful setting rather than just at my office or just at my house. But anyway, here we are at Lake Grapevine, so forgive the noise. Now then, today we are talking about replacing the gas struts on 2 of my outdoor bays. If you watched my video about the warranty issues I was having and what wasn't covered, well, those gas struts were not covered. They won't hold those bigger doors open. Now, out of all of the bay doors, some of them are small and the struts that Leisure Travel Van puts in are fine. Some of them are a little bit larger and they're not so fine. So we're going to replace those ones that aren't so fine. Now then, if this is your first time on the channel, or if you have yet to subscribe, please do so. I would appreciate that, because the more subscriptions we get, the more thumbs up we get, the more interactions that YouTube sees and presents this channel to more people so they can learn about Leisure Travel Vans, RV, gear, gadget, and everything in between. I really appreciate that. Now then, I'm going to show you the tools. I give you the Amazon link where to get these little bit stronger gas struts, but it's really just a couple of minutes to replace these things, so let's get started. Okay, I'm not sitting down the job. I'm actually going to use this chair as a tool here in just a moment. I'm going to use it to prop open the bay door while I take the gas strut off so it doesn't come down and clunk me on the head. Now then, I don't really think I've ever talked about the chairs that we carry in our Leisure Travel Van, but I've found at least one that really fits the bill when it comes for the small storage space that you get in these Leisure Travel Vans. Now then, let me show you my pride and joy right here. Nemo Stargazer. This absolutely is one of the most comfortable chairs you'll ever sit in, as well as look at the size. You could get 4 of these into one of those outdoor bays. Now they're pricey, but they are well worth it. Stick around to the end. I'll set this up and show you what it looks like, how it folds out. It's super easy. It's the best chair in the world. Now then, if you want to get this for your RVer, that you got on your Christmas gift list, I'll put that Amazon link down there as well as a link to everything we carry in this old Leisure Travel Van here. So then, let's get started and get this door strut replaced. Okay, I've got the chair holding up the door. Told you that chair was going to come in handy. Now the only tools you're going to need are a pair of needle nose, a small flathead, and then a 13mm socket, which I carry a little socket set and driver set with me in the Leisure Travel Van. Now then, here is that gas strut, 30 pounds, and this is got it on Amazon. I will put that link down below. Again, a viewer turned me onto these, so thank you. That was you. So anyway, so let's get it taken off. It's only one screw that you got to take off. So you just got to get your needle nose to hold onto that nut right there. Come around to this bolt and unscrew. Just like that. Now that's where the door comes in handy right now. So then, now here's where you need this little guy. You got to pry this up, because these are on ball sockets. So there's a ball joint here, and then this just, you just pull that open and it'll do that. Now then, same thing, you got to take this nut out. So we'll do that. Pull this open. Comes out just like that to put into the new one. Alrighty then. Same thing, putting in is taken out. Okay, tighten it back in there so you can see, so it can roll around just like that. Now then, put this little guy back in. Just like that. Put this back in. Hold on. Don't forget your lock washer. And I did this the first time too. I put it on the wrong side. Just turn it like that. There you go. Using my head a little bit. Screw this back on. Set my lock washers on the wrong side. See, I'm doing everything wrong here because I'm trying to film at the same time. Turn that back like that. Tighten up. And voila. Now let's try it. You ready? Oh, it stayed up. Nice. Doing its job. Ooh. Oh yeah. See, that would, like right there, it would fall. Totally, it would fall on the old ones. And now it just pushes it right up. Oh, that's fantastic. Love it. Okay, I will put the link to this, the Amazon link, down below, as well as probably across the screen here. So, highly recommend. You just got to do it on the 2 larger doors. The smaller doors, really not that big of a deal. All right, well, thank you for battling through the airplanes, for the boats going through. I don't know if you could hear that or not. I'll know once I start editing this, but if you can, I apologize. Anyway, again, I just wanted to be out here at the lake just to kind of give you more of a camping, right? So I'm going to put this Nemo Stargazer together so you can see it because, like I said, it's my favorite camp chair and the best possible solution for storing in a leisure travel van. But while I put that together, I'll run that at the very end so you can see that. And again, I just want to say thank you for sticking all the way through here, and I'll put that camp chair up now. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and we will see you next time. Okay, here we are, the Nemo Stargazer. Here's how simple it is to put together. Comes with an awesome case. That's the chair right there, super light. Now then, the foundation. It's all elastic, just sticks together. You'll never lose a part, which is fantastic. How many times you left stuff at campgrounds, right? I have a million times. All right, that's the base right there. It's got a couple of supports, so we'll put those in here in a second. Here comes an airplane, not sure if you can hear it. Looks like that's an American Airlines. You know, when I first started this channel, it was during the pandemic, and everywhere, my office, my house, everywhere is pretty close to DFW, and I never had this problem, but now airplanes go over all the time. So anyway, it's a suspension chair, just goes on like that. Use the back. Now this part will frustrate you the very first time you put this together because it fits really tight in there. There's that. Just 2 supports back here in the back. Just like so. But it gets easier as it goes. It kind of loosens up there. There's the chair right there. Look at this. Literally one of the most comfortable chairs I have ever sat in. I love it. I have this little camp stool I put out for my feet. Love it. The reason they call it a Stargazer, it reclines. Look up at the stars. Anyway, this chair is absolutely fantastic. I said I'll put the Amazon link to it down below. Love it. Anyway, those are my camp chairs. Rock Pod or PodRocker and the Nemo Stargazer. Can't go wrong. Again, thanks for joining me all the way to the end here. We'll see you next time.